Hi! So I will create a new project, maybe this one or this one if you have a plan to import, but in my case, I will go for this one. This video is actually to answer this famous question. I can't close Polygon. If you've had the same problem someday and you are wondering if there is a way to solve that, the answer is yes. And if you haven't had this yet, I am 100% sure that you will have it someday. So stick around and watch this video until the end. We have this problem when we draw like a very large element or a very small one, and it can be either floor elements here in this site tab, or a room element, or an object. But I will start with a floor element just to give you an example. So let's start drawing a rectangular floor element like this. Let's go maybe up until okay, something like this, or maybe just something like that. The polygon has just closed and everything is fine. Okay, now I wanna draw a polygonal floor element, like a large one, maybe let's say 800 or something like that, and I go up 600 and then I come back here and then I click and I right click to close the polygon, and it's grayed out. It's not possible to close it. Why? Because DIALux thinks this floor element here is very large to be like for the polygon to be closed. So the solution in this case is no solution. We need to go back and escape. So cancel action and delete data. Yes, let's escape. If I draw a rectangular floor element this way, like a little bit larger, let's press key tab here and say 2000 meters, enter. It says here the entered value is limited to 1000. Okay, it's limited to 1000, and let's go up 1000 meters again. Let's press key tab and then write 1000. Okay, I know DIALux will limit us to 1000. I will press enter and then it's okay. Like 1000 square meters is okay. This is the end of the world of DIALux. But the thing is that we can make it like larger. And the way to do that is, okay, go to polygonal floor element, or maybe this one here. We can use this one if you want, but I just want to tell you again that it will, if we make like 3 kilometers, 3000 meters, if we go up maybe 2 kilometers and then come back here and then try to close the polygon, it's not possible to close it. So we better escape and find another solution. So let's go to this one here. You click on it and it goes directly to edit polygon. If it's not edited, just press it and just go to edit polygon. Okay. The way to go further than what DIALux wanted us is to stretch this element here by grabbing these points and stretching it like this. I am stretching it, and I can, and it says, it's complaining here. It says the dimension of the scene has increased extremely due to the last action. A floor element is unusually small or unusually large. It's actually large, DIALux. Come on, it's so large, man. Okay. Now, if we hover over this line here, it says 7,722 meters, which is like crazy, but we can make it way larger than that. It says, it stops here. It's not like going any further. Okay. I will not move in this direction. I will go in this direction now. Okay, it's complaining. I will go up until it's not possible anymore. And I will do the same for this one. I will go up until it's not possible anymore. And here it says 20 kilometers. Here it says 9,000. I will now go down here until it says 20,000 kilometers. Well, not 20,000 kilometers, 20,000 meters, which is 20 kilometers. It's still complaining, but I mean, who cares? We can actually, make way bigger floor elements than what DIALux thinks. Okay, let's do the same maybe for the room elements here. Let's create 20,000 meters. And right click, it's not possible to create it. The solution is to escape, yes, and make a little one, something like that. And then we have the right to close the polygon. We close it, and then we go to edit polygon, and then we stretch it, just like this. And DIALux doesn't understand anything. Okay, we can even let's zoom to the entire scene here, and then let's make this one here something like that. The dimension of the scene has increased extremely due to the last action. I know babe, I know. Okay, I will go and delete these ones here. I will go to site and delete this. You know how to solve the problem when you want to make a larger thing, but DIALux doesn't let you. You just go and stretch those points. Now let's go and zoom in until it's not possible anymore. Okay, it's not possible anymore. I will do the same using side, maybe room elements or just objects. I will objects for this one. Okay, draw extrusion body. Okay, I will just start in the origin and then go maybe for 2 millimeters, maybe 2 millimeters, and then go up for 2 millimeters, 0.002. Yes. Well, I think I made a mistake, but it's still so small actually. So I will go and right click, and it says, it's not possible to do it because it's grayed out, because it's so small. The solution in this case is we are not going to escape as we did in the case of a larger element, but we will actually just click like this and go and make a big thing, something like that, just to make DIALux think that we have drawn a big thing. And then we right click, and then we have the close polygon available, which is we just misleaded DIALux. Okay, close polygon, and then I don't want all this. I only want this little element here. So the thing is that I will just go to edit polygon here, and then right click on these points, delete all of them like one by one, just smoothly. Yeah, this one we cannot delete it because it's gonna touch this one here. This line is gonna touch this point. So we will bring it here and bring this one here and just delete one by one like this. And I have my element that DIALux didn't want me to, to draw in the first place. Okay, that's it. And my element is somewhere here. Where is it? Okay, wait. Control, okay. It's here. It's so thin, you know. I can barely see it. It's here. Great. I hope you learned something today, and if it helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next video.